all my acquaintances. So today I had this video idea. Well, I've had it like, because I redecorate and clean out my car like everyone, but I kind of stopped cleaning it out, so now it's really horrible. So I said, damn, is this a video concept? Should I just let it get fucking rotten until I record it, cleaning it out? And I said, I don't know if that's a video idea. But then I seen that Haley Fam did the same one, so it is. So I'm gonna give you like how it's like right now, and it's extra bad because we got a TV, so I had to like put the seats down, and it's just a mess. Let's take a look. So this is the seat. That's where most trash accumulates. This is the cup holders, pretty bad. This is the center console, quite bad. Hold on. This is the driver's seat. So it's still kind of bad. So this is the back seat slash trunk. There's trash in there, and there's stuff that I need to take inside. This is my new trash can I'm getting for my car, so that hopefully, I, you know, actually put the trash in there and take it out more often. Oh my god. And these are what the seats are looking like. Not great. Not ideal. So first thing I think that I need to do is clean out the whole car, and then like get the trash in the trash bag, and then get a bag for the stuff that needs to go back inside. And then the next step I think is to undecorate the Valentine stuff, and then redecorate the green stuff, which involves I need to make a new steering wheel cover, and I need to switch out the I think I have this all written down, and there was like 6 steps, so I don't know what this is doing. I'm just gonna kind of start in the driver's seat here. Yeah. Now we move to the ever elusive center console. This is gonna be like the trouble area, because it's a lot of it I want it to stay in here, but I don't know if I'm just gonna end up taking out all the stuff that I want to stay in here, because like I just want to reorganize it all. So I might just take all of it and like take it inside. I feel like I should have got like a third thing for that, but I figured I would just, I don't know, put it in a pile on one of the seats once it's clean. That should stay here. Most of this has been easy. I've said, is it trash? Does it need to go in the house? Or does it need to stay in the car? But, I put in these LED lights, which are so cool. But they, plug in by USB, and there's only one USB port. And now I'm using the USB port for my phone. I think I'll leave them in here for now because they don't really take up that much space. But I might get like a USB splitter or something. This is what it is. Or I might get like, you know, the phone charger that has the USB in it so that I can plug one into here. And then have one of the USB that actually comes on the car. I don't know. But before I put anything back in here, it needs vacuumed because there's really disgusting. Because, you know, actually when I think about it, I remember having specifically a blue, like a light blue USB car charger. And if I can just find that, I'll just bring that in here and then I can plug both things in and it's not gonna like be an issue. This side is the horrendous one, so there's not really a good angle to get you here without doxing myself. Let's go right here. I want to hit this guy's car. Yes, okay. Perfect. That's taking a while. That's not going to work. This is about where we're at. Not so bad, huh? I'm again not sure of what a good angle would be in which you can't also see the address, and if you can, I'll blur it out, I guess. But that we entered the last disaster zone. And the truck is pretty good because we just had to clear it out for this is her now. Pre-vacuum, but you know, that's a lot. This angle is especially tricky. And I think I'm just gonna have to blur like this whole square. That one wasn't as bad. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this back up there because I'm gonna put it back there. This is full of garbage. That is full of stuff I need to take inside. So it was quite a bit. This was like, I mean, we used it in our kitchen first, so it was like to there, but all of that is over my car. So that's kind of disgusting. I'm throwing it away now. All right, so now it is the next day. I'm going to vacuum with the Dyson. I was very excited for this because all the rich ass YouTubers, and I say, damn, that vacuum looks so cool and so convenient. I'm gonna get one when I have money. I don't still have money still, but Cal's mom actually had like an extra one laying around in the basement or something, and gave it to us as like a housewarming present. So very cool. I use this thing seriously all the time, and I recommend it if you do have the money for it. So this is the handheld version. Like, it has the attachments and everything to make it not handheld, but this is the handheld. So I'm gonna vacuum and then wipe down with the Lysol the cup holders, the console, probably the dash because it's really dusty. And then I'm gonna take my car washing fluid that I have in the back and wipe some of the parts of like the windshield and the rear view camera and just places that the windshield wiper doesn't reach and that is getting really dirty because of the snow. And so that would work. That would set up my trash can because I'm just gonna put that as part of the redecorating process, but I've already accumulated some trash from cleaning. Like, some stuff was too big for the vacuum to pick up. So I'm gonna put this up before I start undecorating, and then redecorating for is Queen St. Patrick's Day and like the rest of March. I'll just leave it up. Weird situation here where do I have to like, okay. So, yeah, you want to put this, I guess, just straight down, and then, I'm going to put a trash bag in there. It's kind of hard for you guys to see it, probably. So it just kind of goes like that, and then has this thing in the front. It's a multi-purpose thing. Oh, it has magnetic buckles to put the garbage bag in. I don't know. Yeah. Hold on. You can see it. The trash bag. And I'll put that in the back seat. So decorating. And yeah, it's this top adjustable liner. Like, I So right now I'm going to write for Valentine's Day, so that I can more accurately measure my steering wheel to make the new cover, and these things, the lights and the turn signal and windshield thing and everything. And I think my gear shift I might, I think that would be very cute. Maybe something, I don't know. I might just put like a scrunchie on there. Yeah, actually, I think that I'm just gonna put like a scrunchie on there.
Really? We're gonna play whatever we want, whenever we want, however we want, as long as it's pure.
Let's go ahead and quickly, trying to get this as accurate as possible. Also, what I've really been fiending for to decorate my car is a Twilight sticker. So I think I'm gonna order one off Etsy, and then that'll come when it comes, and I'll put it on when it comes. I don't know why I'm so ugly. I'm not sure why I've been getting uglier every day. So what I have done so far is I've put on the steering wheel cover. It's a little loose, but I can't really get it tighter. I think it's just the fabric is a little bit slippery, because it's not like loose. I had the same thing with like the one I got from the Dollar Tree. Like, you have to really stretch it to get it on, but it's just a little bit of a slippery fabric. But it's fine, because I kind of grip the wheel like that, which is why I started putting on the steering wheel cover in the first place. I made these things. One of them's promising. The other one, not so much. So I might only have one. And so I'm stretching it. Oh, it's just beautiful. Take a look. Now we'll try the other one. I don't think it's gonna fit on though. That is so funny, and it's gonna fall off immediately, but I'm gonna put it there for now. So that's what that looks like. Very cool. I also added this moss scrunchie by The Goblin Tam on Etsy and Instagram. Right there. Now I am adding my green inkling. So I had my pink one there before, and I really liked how that looked. So I'm gonna put this green one right here. And then for this, I took off this, and in my glove box here, I have a compartment full of goodies. So this one, I could have made a little green thing to go onto here. Actually, let me, I'm gonna go like this with the extra green fabric. Just put that on the little clip there, and then put this one in here, and let's choose a scent, shall we? Oh, in what other than the green scent that I have. Let's see. Oh, this one has like kind of a problem child. There we go, that's so cute. And look at the green there. Yeah, okay, yeah, that works. Alright, now we are going to get this as our trash can. Put the trash that I just made in there. And then, yeah, put that like that. And then I guess I could have put the little green fuzzy thing on the trash can somehow. But I think it just kind of clips around the neck of this, which I forget. I need to hang it up like that, and this clips around or something. I don't know how this clips on. Trash bag in, or, well, you know, grocery bag. I'm using the trash bag so that there's an extra one for when this one fills up, and I might bring like some more in. What's in here? Nothing? Okay, cool. And then I'm gonna take this Care Bears blanket and I'm gonna freaking drape this over the seats like that. I think. So here's the crazy thing, right? Like, I'm 22 years old, right? My factory job, right? Wearing my pink Lovelot Bear purse. So I'm wearing Kara's purse, and now I'm gonna be rolling up with a Care Bears blanket in my car. So basically, we stay in. And then here's a French fry I found on the floor that wouldn't get sucked up by the vacuum. Alright, so mainly what I'm gonna be organizing is the console, but for right this moment, I'm gonna set y'all right here. Open this, which I just got a new one because I think my other one's at my house and it was $5 and this was like $8 and I had a gift card, so it was like free. So it's not a huge loss, and then I get to utilize all my car now instead of having to wait like 3 weeks before I can visit my parents' house. And let's put that in the trash. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay. There it is. And I'm gonna plug this into the outlet in here, in the console, which I have to have, you know, to plug in my phone and stuff. So I'm gonna pull that part out because I have to pull my phone through here and stick it on there. And then I'm gonna do some final organization of this here area. So right now, as you can see, they're green lights. And there's all the CDs, and that's the little satisfying nook that I had the Oxomo in. And then this is also a multicolored light, so I could put it in this lighter green. Oh, that's just blue. They're from the dollar store, so I mean. And then they can also have all these different settings on them. And I'll leave that right there. No, I don't want to leave that on the cup holder. I'll actually just put this in here as well. Just go ahead and put it right there. And then I'm going to close that off and put these tissues right here. And then this mask right here. Some sunglasses right here, ready for me to go. And these are my work goggles. Oh, this is not gonna work. Hold on. Alright, I figured out my final situation. And here's the tour. It's very satisfying to me. A tour. I put the sunglasses up here and that's up there with the green on it. So, you know to buy, subscribe. See you later, all you haters.